Time he was called a bird dog. Johnny, he's a joker. He's a bird. A very funny joker. He's a bird. But when he jokes my honey, he's a dog. His joking is so funny. What a dog. Johnny, he's a joker that's just trying to steal my man. He's a bird dog. Johnny sings a love song like a bird. He sings the sweetest love song ever heard. But when he sings to my gal, what a howl. To me, he's just a wolf dog on the prowl. Johnny wants to fly away and pump it on my bed. He's a bird dog. Hey, bird dog, get away from my quail. Hey, bird dog, you're on the wrong trail. Bird dog, you better leave my love you double alone. Hey, bird dog, get away from my chick. Hey, bird dog, you better get away quick. Bird dog, you better find a chicken little of your own. Johnny kissed the teacher. He's a bird. He tickled up to reach her. He's a bird. Well, he's a teacher pet now. He's a dog. What he wants he can get now. What a dog. He even made the teacher let him sit next to my bed. He's a bird.